Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and you are going to be continuing with Mission Twin Possible in My Perspective. So the first thing you need to do today is to read the actual article. So go to My Perspectives, and it's in the small group learning for this unit, for Unit 5. And then you're going to click here, and you're going to read Mission Twin Possible. The next thing you're going to do is continue on with part 2 in your questions that you started yesterday. So part 1 was yesterday, and then today you're going to complete part 2, which is just 3 short questions. Should go pretty quickly. The third activity for today is to read an article about how astronauts give advice on social distancing. So it's kind of taking the topic and connecting it to what we're going through right now. This is in your assessments section. So you can either click the link here or go to your assessments tab over here and look for the article. Once you have completed reading the article, you need to then go to your Gmail and look for the comprehension check that we have emailed you. So it's a Google form, and it will look like this. So astronauts on social distance comprehension check. And so there's some questions you need to answer, 5 questions, and submit that. And then you are done for today. So email us with any questions. Make sure you attend your class's Zoom meeting if you have one today, and you can always do the drop-in hours from 9 to 10 a.m. or 1 to 2 p.m. Thanks.